Hello guys, you are highly welcome to another amazing tutorial on Noboty Fashion channel. On this video I'll be showing you how you can stitch this side taping on the buttonhole stand. So please, if this is the first time you are checking on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to enjoy over 150 videos on this channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. Here is the shirt material which I've already cut. So this is the side where the button will be, so this is the right side. So because this is a male shirt, but if it is a female shirt, the button stand will be on the left side while the buttonhole will be on the right side. So on this left side now, that is the side where we are going to apply the buttonhole stand, and I've already cut the folding here. I've already cut it out, so remaining ½ inch. So this excess that I have, which I folded together, I've already cut it out. So please, if you don't know how to cut a shirt, you can check the link in the description box below on how to cut a perfect male shirt on this channel. So that is the side where we are going to fix the buttonhole. And now let me show you the one which I've already cut out from this side before. And this is it, which I cut out from this side. So that is it. So now the next thing to do now is to cut another material like this. So you cut another material into like a 1.2 inches, and then the length will be the same with this, and you have excess of 2 inches upward and then 2 inches downward. So that is a length we are cutting for this. So you are not using the material we cut out from this facing. So this is 1.2 inches, and then the length will be of the longer than the front of the shirt. And this is one material we are using for the side taping. So you cut this one into 1.2 as well, but on this one I cut 1 inch. We advise you to cut 1.2 instead of this 1 inch that I cut out here. And then you have to stitch it on each side of this, so it will be of the same length with this material which you have already cut before. And on the back you apply cloth stay at the back. So you apply cloth stay at the back, not a collar stay. You apply cloth stay at the back, and then you measure 0.2 inches, and then you roll it on both sides. So 0.2 inches, that is very important. You roll it on both sides of this material straight down. And then the next thing to do now is to stitch this material on both sides of this material which we cut out. So you stitch it on that 0.2 inches straight down like this. You do the same thing on this other side. Stitch it straight down. So now let's go to the machine and do that. So now make sure you are stitching on the line. Make sure you are stitching on that line which we roll. So once you are done with this, you do the same thing on the other side. So that is it on how to stitch the material to the buttonhole stand, and then you iron it like this. You open press it like this, and then you turn this inside. You turn this inside. You can apply hemming gum inside on one side. You can apply hemming gum on one side to hold it down. So this is it now after I've already pressed it. You can see that. So make sure you turn it inside and make it perfectly lay to the frame, to the material. So this is the back of this material now, and then you place the material on it. So you place it on it like this. So please make sure you pay very good attention on this side. So if you have to stitch easily now, don't make it too close to this edge. Don't make it too close to this edge, but you have to leave like a 0.1 inches. That is a 1/8 between the stitches and the cloth stay. So you leave a little space in between that, and then you are not placing it on the edge of this material. So on the point where we notch, so that is the point where the stitches will also fall on, and then you stitch it straight down like this. Make sure you tension the material under so that you will not have any squeeze on this material. So stitch it straight down like this. That is it. So the next thing to do now is to press it like this, and then you press it from inside, and then you turn this one over and also iron it like that, and turn this one over like this, and then you press it very well. So let me quickly do that and then come back. So this is it now after I've already pressed it. So this is the front, and this is the back now. So you can see that the main material is not showing by the side. So that is the essence of leaving a 0.1. So now you are stitching in between this material and the taping. So the stitches will fall inside. So don't make sure that you are not stitching on the Ankara fabric. So you are stitching in between the fabric and the Ankara fabric and the material. So make sure you take your time to do this, please. You stitch it gently, don't rush. So you do the same thing on this second side, and then when you are stitching here, make sure you use your hand to hold the material firm so that you don't have any squeeze on this side. That is very important. So make sure you take your time to do this, and you stitch it gently. So that is it on how to stitch this taping on the shirt. So you can see how nice and beautiful the thing is. So you first iron it from the back like this, you press it down, and then you also press it on the front. So let's see the results of what we have been doing. This is it now. You can see how nice and beautiful the thing is. So with this illustration, I believe you don't need to sew a bought shirt any longer. With this simple design on this shirt, it also make it look very beautiful. So please, if it is the first time you are checking on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this again. Till the next time that I bring you another video, I say thank you for watching, and then remain blessed. Bye for now.